Craving something light yet incredibly satisfying? Our Thai Mango Salad AIP style is a refreshing antidote to the summer heat, and a dish that will awaken your senses. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace. Summer is here, and this season comes with unique vibrant colors and flavors. And what better time to indulge in the abundance of the harvest of mangoes? Our Thai Mango Salad AIP style is not only AIP compliant, but an unforgettable fusion of Asian flavors that you will be pleased. Into a serving plate, we will combine the following prepared ingredients. We will need 1 whole mango. I have here Alphonso mango that you can easily find in your local grocery stores. Cut into strips. A 1/4 cup of broccoli sprouts. 2 Persian cucumbers in julienne cut. A 1/4 cup carrot in julienne style. A 1/4 cup red onion sliced. A teaspoon of toasted garlic. And fresh chopped cilantro. And for our dressing, into a separate mixing bowl, we will mix the following: 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of maple syrup, and a teaspoon of avocado oil in lieu of the sesame oil, a clove of minced garlic. Mix this all well to combine and add to the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Toss to combine. And finish it with the toasted garlic and fresh chopped cilantro. And this will be ready to serve. Ladies and gentlemen, our Thai Mango Salad AIP style, refreshing and bursting with deliciousness. Please give this flavorful dish a try, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Until next time, be healed and be blessed. Sawadee!